Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj. Wednesday, January 3rd, 2001, 8 am. Both my son and you have a special place in my heart. You are not there for the same reasons, but does the heart know about reason? You won it in different ways and you achieve the same result. Bonds that are created from life to life remain strong if they continue in the spirit that existed previously. May they lead us to establish a particular contact and a kind of constructive collaboration. A big blank page is ahead of us. What is going to be written thereon? The link up between our three hearts must be established smoothly and with greatest subtlety. The quality of these exchanges will depend on this result. They are and will be, in a way, unique in their kind. This very special relationship must develop with meticulous care, and resulting contacts must be as well tuned as the strings of a musical instrument. The receiving element must find her place between two giants without losing her own tonality and all the sweetness of her song. By placing this relationship in a harmonic framework, resulting notes will necessarily be harmonious. Let us wait and hear the tuning of this symphony without rushing things. Let us be lyrical in this beginning of the year as high hopes can be contemplated. Babuji. Same day at 9:45 am. My son, gain stature. Remember what I endured, which you could not measure, but that was undermining my days. It is all part of the game. It can't be otherwise. Let us pity these things who have no excuse of a limited advancement and yet put up too many obstacles on your road against you, the one we love and the elect of an all powerful hierarchy. These bad actions are counted and will remain sadly famous in the history of our mission. So will it always be. Review the life of great masters with significant historical influence, what they had to undergo from strangers, but also from their nearest and dearest who shot them in the back in cold blood. You are doing your work. They do a nasty work. They are to be pitied. Continue on your way, my dear son. We cannot say more for the time being as regards cases mentioned in your mail. Your appeal is received and results will be felt as per needs. Be confident, only your action matters. Detach yourself from these conflicts that are appalling, even more so for people who create them than for the mission. It will continue its way with its head high, getting over these obstacles put up by humans blinded by their own stupidity. We will come back to your questions. We are close to you, my son, Babuji.